She had me looking like a trail. Somebody said Fufu can never come back now. Why y'all fucking playing with Fufu face like that, man? Fufu teaching, man. She teaching.
Yeah, she doing a good job.
She in her purpose. We in our purpose. She's in her.
Give up on my hair, bro. Cut it the fuck out, bro. I told you, I'm gonna be that old nigga with one braid, nigga. Fuck is wrong with you, nigga? I'm gonna keep the pimping going, nigga. I'm gonna be that one nigga that got that one fucking braid that's way back here. I'm gonna have that. My shit gonna be way back here. No hair on here. I'm just gonna have one braid right here, nigga.
That shit gonna look hard too.
Straight like that. I'm still gonna be sexy with it. What you doing?
Fixing your braids.
I'm gonna be Stevie Wonder. And Stevie Wonder a Taurus too. You see? I told you, nigga. I'm gonna be Stevie Wonder with that shit. So since she did my hair, she was up late night. I'm going grocery shopping. Y'all going grocery shopping with me, man. We going grocery shopping, man. Where my clippers at, mommy?
Yeah.
Clippers.
Wait.
It was right here.
It's fur. It's forehead. What's this thing starting to be on?
Your hair making my titties itch. The fuck my hair got? Your hairline making my titties itch. Go wash your neck. That shit was all retarded. Shut up. You wasn't even funny.
You need your clippers, you think?
Huh? Yeah. Here's my lineups. Crazy, B. Crazy, nigga.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, B. Yeah, baby.
Yeah. I was like, I'm about to go.
I am. I'm just doing the pre-line for the niggas, so you know where to go. I'm going to TKO barber, man.
Don't have them
You
there.
think I should wear those?
You gotta wear them. I just see you took them off and put them in your pocket like, oh.
That shit was doing for me. So Malia look beautiful. Push that hair back a little more. Bro, you get up hating on them niggas. First thing in the rising, hating on them niggas.
Huh?
Let me get up and find somebody to hate on. You crazy. Go. You fucking up my situation. The silver shit gotta go. They fucking up my situation. Fuck it, it is what it is, nigga. I'm an OG, nigga. I'm an OG. I'm keeping grays in them Silver Jones. Call my hair gray. My hair silver. I just did that, you know. Y'all niggas know I got a big forehead. Look at my daughter. My daughter got a big forehead. What's wrong with you? Big foreheads running my family, dog. All my kids got a 5-head, nigga. But they sexy.
No, puppy. Leave it, yeah, leave it there. I don't want it to fall.
Yes, ma'am. Is Malia willing to learn to... I don't want Malia doing no hair. Malia do everything with her whole body. She an Aries. You know, Malia one of them people do everything with their whole body. I don't want that.
I'm passionate about what I'm doing.
I know.
And I
Let me get some oil
like
in my
this.
face. I hop in them braids like... I swan dive into them braids. What happened? Put some oil on my face. No, I gotta wash it first.
Yeah, wash it.
I is the true queen. You have to see this. I know. I'm just putting her through everything. You say he gonna give me the spray on hairline? I need that. That's what I need. I need the spray on you. Hey, man, you got my other earring. Take this hoop shit out my ear, man. You like the hoop?